Hello everyone. So today's sari is the much awaited ब्रुख्या देवता. ये साड़ी मैंने आपको ग्लिम्सेस में दिखाई. Then I had shared a reel a day back, got many enquiries and it's a one of a kind साड़ी. आपने पिक्चर्स देखी ही होंगी. I don't know how much to explain. This साड़ी is like this. It's a privilege for my clothing treasure to be showcasing this sari to you because it has been woven by one of the finest hands, ईश्वर मेहर जी, जो कि जिनको कि नेशनल अवार्ड मिला है अपने क्राफ्ट के लिए, संबलपुरी विविंग के लिए, एंड उनको संत कबीर अवार्ड भी मिला है. और उनका ये सबसे आई थिंक दिस डिज़ाइन द पल्लू जिसकी वजह से इसका नाम पड़ा ब्रुख्या देवता, दैट इज़ वन ऑफ हिज फाइनेस्ट वर्क्स in his own words. If you search, you will be able to find articles where he has explained ki what is the concept behind this sari. So yes, this sari is here. Pure, I think it took me 4 months to get just one sari, and that is that is how these especially these people जो कि बहुत अपने क्राफ्ट में they are so trained and they are so busy as well, till this age he is weaving. That is really appreciable. And he doesn't weave like usual saris are weaved. Handloom maybe when we weave, we make yarns for 8-9 saris at least, और उनको एक साथ tie dye किया जाता है, so that at one go if loom is running, then you get at least 8-9 saris, so that they can the cost, it is cost effective for the weavers as well, और एक बार में उनको 8-9 साड़ी मिल जाए. बट दिस साड़ी, ये एक ही साड़ी बनी है एक टाइम पे, एंड दे वर्क लाइक दिस ओनली. दे विल गेट यू वन साड़ी ऑन रिक्वेस्ट, एंड दैट gives you control, so much control on how the saris are weaved, the motifs are weaved, every single thing they can control while weaving. So yes, ये जो साड़ी है, color you can see it's a dual tone color. The thread used is yellow, and उसके साथ ये जो कॉफ़ी कलर है, ये कॉफ़ी का कलर जो है येलो के साथ मिलने के बाद you are getting this very beautiful color. It has a maroon sheen and the base is yellow, so kind of looks like tissue but very understated tissue, like tissue जैसा बहुत I would not call it gorgeous or gaudy like tissue. It has an understated elegance and it looks really, you can see wherever I am folding, you can see the shine and the pattern all over the sari. Again you see trees, beautiful trees, and very minute hand work. If you notice closely, आपको यहाँ पे white thread के साथ, white is appearing yellow because it is mixed with yellow, of course, tie-in dye के time, and you can see very closely, if you notice, you will notice maroon as well. So you can imagine कि इसको बनाने में जो tie and dye work, how hard it must have been. And इसका जो border है, that is again very intricately done. ये धानपत्री का पैटर्न है, धान का जो पैटर्न है उसी को डॉबी वर्क से बॉर्डर पे दिया गया है. फैब्रिक इज प्योर सिल्क ऑफ कोर्स, बट द क्वालिटी ऑफ सिल्क, आई वर्क विथ मलबेरी सिल्क, संबलपुरी सिल्क, खंडवा सिल्क all the time. So if I compare it to the संबलपुरी silk that usually we get, this silk feels slightly thicker and sturdier. I think it goes to the expert hands, the credit goes to the expert hands, because it is very tightly weaved. Just I don't know if you are feeling it or not, but I feel I feel a little scared as well that I should represent this sari for exactly what he has weaved it for. I shouldn't, it's a responsibility on me to showcase this sari properly. So yes, this is the palla, and this is a beautiful palla. I think you are seeing it in mirror image, but please check the pictures. You will see the correct text. It's a shloka that is taken from Matsya Purana, and what it basically means is that जो पेड़ है, that is the most precious thing. It's even according to the shloka, it means 10 wells are equal to 1 pond, 10 ponds are equal to 1 sun, and 10 suns are equal to 1 tree. So it basically describes the importance of trees in our life. And the palla also showcases Brahma, Vishnu and Mahesh meditating under different trees. Banyan tree for Brahma ji, then Vishnu, he is under a peepal tree, and then Mahesh, he is under a Rudraksh tree. You can see the delicate work. I have tried to show it in the reel as well, but honestly, when you look at it with your own eyes and then you look at it on camera, there is great difference, and I hope you are appreciating the sari, and it is coming out beautifully as it has been weaved. And this part is a dark coffee. It's a very dark coffee, it's not black. Okay, just clarifying that. And the blouse piece, it's again in plain coffee matching the border, and it has the same border. All in all, it's one of a kind. It's a collector's piece. Of course, it's not I would not say it's very affordable or it's very usual. It's an unusual sari. It's a unique piece, and not many people will be able to afford it, but still I really wanted to work with these kind of people. And I know many people who admire saris, who are handloom lovers, they know about these weavers, but in mainstream people are not aware कि weavers उनको अवार्ड मिलता है, उनके आसपास के लोग जानते हैं, फिर भूल भी जाते हैं. बट आई जस्ट वांटेड टू bring his work forward so that थोड़े और लोगों को भी पता चले that yes, this kind of works exist and we should be proud of our weavers and how hard they work and how beautifully they work and still continue working even in such old age. So yes, ये साड़ी का डिटेल if you want, just ping me or DM me if you are genuinely considering it. I'll definitely be sharing the details with you. And yes, I'll come back with more sarees. Stay tuned.